Hello children, now let us see how to arrange the surds in the descending order. Okay, here the question is write the following numbers in descending order. Look at the numbers 5 root 2, 8 upon root 2, under root 98 and 2 root 18. You already know the method discussed in the last class. That is, if the orders are different, how to arrange here. Order is not an issue. We can convert the surds into the pure surds, right, and compare. Now in this sum, if you observe carefully, you will understand, rather converting these surds into the pure surd, if you convert all the surds into the mixed surds, it will go even more easy. Why? Because just see, before you start the question, you need to analyze the numbers. No, now when you know so many ways, you need to see which one goes very easy with that. 5 root 2. Okay, what is the irrational part over here? Root 2. 8 upon root 2. You have studied the rationalization of denominator. So you can just, if you remove this denominator from the irrational part, that is, if you rationalize the denominator, this surd will also have root 2, right, as it is irrational part, right? Then root 98. Can you find a perfect square factor of this? Yes. 49 2s are 98. So there also, what is the number radicand left? There is 2. And 9 here also, you look at this part. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So here root 2 again can be found common. So if they will become the like surds and comparison will go easy. So this is a beforehand, if you think a little, it helps you. So 5 root 2, I don't want to make any change because all the surds I am going to convert into root 2 format only, like surds. So I shall leave it as it is. Second number is 8 under root 2. So I need to rationalize its denominator. You see, now this is the application of rationalization of denominator. Denominator multiplied by root 2, hence the numerator also multiplied by root 2. So it is 8 into root 2 and denominator it will become 2. Further it will simplify 8, 4. So you have got a surd 4 root 2, isn't it? Then third one is what? Under root 98. Okay. This will be written as 49 multiplied by 2. We have checked it. 49 is a perfect square. 7 comes out for that. So you have got 7 root 2. Next is what? 2 root 18. So 2 as it is. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. 2 as it is. For under root 9, you can write as 3. And what left in the radical is 2. And so 2 3s are 6 under root 2. So see, so simple it is. We have got the numbers 5 under root 2, 4 under root 2, 7 under root 2 and 6 under root 2. Very easily you can compare. So this is another way. Sometimes if it is possible, beforehand just go for a check if they can be converted into like surd. They all are called as like surd. You know why? Because the irrational part over there is the same, right? Now we have to arrange them into the descending order. Descending order means what? Decreasing order, the largest one first. So from here you observe which is the largest number? 7 under root 2. Next is 6 under root 2. Next 5 under root 2. And last is 4 under root 2. Simple. Now 7 root 2. How it was given as in the question? Under root 98. This is also important. This is our simplification. What the question is asking to arrange these numbers, the answer should come like this. Under root 98. 6 root 2 was representing what? 2 root 18. 5 root 2 as it is. It was given in the question 5 root 2 only. Next last number left is what? Smallest number 4 root 2, that was what? 8 upon under root 2. and this is how we have solved the question. I hope it is clear to all of you.